Hello students, good morning all. We are learning about birds. We have seen different kinds of birds have different kinds of feathers on their body. The work of feathers are different. Also you have seen different birds have different types of beaks. According to their eating habits, their beaks are different. Then we have seen on the last period about different birds have different types of feet and claws. Okay. Now today's period we are going to learn about nests. Like us, birds also need home to live in. The home of a bird is known as nest. As we live in a house, what because our house protected for wind, storm, heat, cold, wild animals, and thieves. Like us, birds also prepare their nest for some purpose. They build a house to protect themselves and their nestling from harsh weather. Nestling means baby birds. Lay eggs and feed over them till the nestling comes out. Protect their eggs and nestling from any means. Okay? Nestling do not have feathers on their body. Also, they are weak. Their eyes are closed. The parent birds protect and feed them. When their nestling grown up, they leave the nest. When their nestlings are able to feed and fly by their own, then the birds leave their nest. Now we will see some birds with their nest. Different birds make different types of nest. Now we will see first, that is sparrow. It makes its nest in houses, on a tree, or any other protective places. It uses strong cotton leaves, grass to make its nest. Pigeon also makes same kind of nest. If you will observe in our building or school building or any other protected places, we find the nest which are made by sparrows and pigeons. Now next we will see about tailor bird. Tailor bird use its beak to sieve the leaves. They are using vegetable fibers, wool, or thread to sieve the leaves, to sieve its nest. Now next we will see about vulture. Vulture, kites, eagles, they make their nest on high places or high trees. They are using straws and twigs to make their house. Their house is just look like a shallow cup. It is quite big than other nests. Now next, that is woodpecker. As we have seen, woodpecker use its chisel-shaped beak to make a hole in a tree trunk. This hole were used as a nest. It lines the hole with a wood chisel to make it cozy. Cozy means what? To keep it warm. Now last we will see about beaver birds. You will see beaver birds are making their house with the help of grass. It uses grass and twigs and tie them into knots to make its nest. The nest is strong, big, and hangs from the branch of a tree. The entrance is at the lower end of the nest. Why they are making their nest like this? Because they want to keep their eggs and their nestling protecting from their enemies. Mostly they are making their nest on thorny trees. Okay? So what we have learned today? We have learned about nest. Nest is the home of a bird. There are different kinds of birds. They make different types of nest. Now I'll give you new words. That new words you have to copy in your notebook. Number one, nestling. Number two, harsh. Number 3, tailor. Number 4, shallow. Number 5, urchi. Number 6, Cosy. And number 7, Venus. Okay, so here we have completed this list. Observe the birds in your surrounding. Their feathers, their claws, their teeth, also their nest. Okay.